Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you Neeko gel polish swatches and review. This is how does the box look like, and I told you before that I love the packaging. I think the box itself tells you some kind of story. Maybe they have something in mind when they created that. So it tells you the basic information on both sides. It's got the precaution that you need to take in, the manufacture date, how you need to store them. And then the box color is actually a pink color, and I think that's actually kind of attractive and it looks very sophisticated. So this is what you get in the box. So you get 6 gel polishes which are very protected, and this is the little manual where they state how you need to apply them, how you need to remove them. Then at the end you get the contact information where they state the social media links: YouTube, Twitter, IG and Facebook, and then they give you the email that you can use to contact them. So this is how does the bottle look like, and you can see there is a slight difference from the previous design, and actually they added like a white color in between where they got their logo. And this is the first shade number 098. It's kind of salmon color, like a pinkish salmon color, and this is how does it look. And you can see it's kind of real runny, it's not dense, it's liquid. And this is how does it look, and give you full coverage just one coat. I love this because I love the gel polish that give you full coverage just one coat, because I don't like to apply them twice. So this is how does this one looks like. The next shade is this one, is shade number 098. It's kind of creamy pink color. It's not actually gelish, it's kind of creamy pink color. And the bottles itself are 7 ml bottles, so you don't need to worry about the quantity because you're getting enough quantity. So this is how does this one looks like, and again it's give you full coverage in just one coat. If you're a beginner, I would recommend you get this set because it got like the basic nude shade, like for a human, something like that. And this is the next shade, it's 099, and it's kind of lighter shade of pink or yellow, kind of pale pink or pale yellow. And again, this does not smell of chemical. I like that because the chemicals already can be toxic for yourself. If you smell them, some people can just get allergic to it, and it's good that they are not. So next shade is number 100, and this is kind of grayish shade, or you can call it lightest brown shade. And this is how does this one looks like, and again it's give you full coverage in just one coat, and they're really smooth when you apply them. I like that because it just really satisfying. I love when they are so smooth when you apply. So this is how does this one looks like, kind of light brownish or creamy brown color. The next shade is 101. It's a dark gray shade, you can say it. And this is how does this one looks like. And again, all these colors are give you full coverage in just one coat. If you're a beginner, you can get this from Amazon. I leave the link in description below, so you can get them easily. And again, the price without the discount code is £12.99 if I'm not wrong, but if you use the discount code it's gonna be £10. And I share the discount code in the community post, so if you want to check it out you can do so. So next shade is the last shade, it's number 102. It's kind of light gray shade. This one is actually good for like winter nights if you want to do them, because black with this it's just gonna look so pretty. And the size of the brush is actually pretty good. It's not too big, too small, just perfect for beginners or for nail techs like for me. And this is how does this one looks like. And this is the final look with the matte and glossy. And one thing is that they got the color on the top, so it's good because if you want to store them in a box, it's gonna be easy for you to get them without the need to open every single product to get the shade that you want. And the matte shade actually perfectly matches with what it's found on the top, so you don't need to worry about the color difference. There might be slight difference because obviously they can't replicate the same color, but still you can get what you want. So this is the next shade. It's kind of light brownish or light chocolate color, you can call it. And this is shade number 101. This is how does this one look like. I applied the matte top kind of glossy one so that you can look them in the same frame, so that you know which one is gonna look best if you're gonna use glossy finish or you're gonna use matte finish. So these are all the colors, and you can see that they actually perfect for a human, and I will recommend you to use these to a human nails. And I hope you like this video. I will see you very soon. Bye.